He's also NTV. NTV, I mean, also N. I want to mention that we have now our UCTV working. I'm not going to question what I don't mind. UCTV, Uganda National Television, is working. Right now we are here after the classic ceremony. So the Christians who are here at the one and raise our Catholic television, so here, Uganda Catholic Television. We appreciate that we are here for this of honor. And I have another chief guest also, the Speaker of Parliament, to be part of this. And she's going to also participate in giving of the certificates to the two people that I mentioned. She will dance right there in front, is 14 yards, and the oldest is 100 yards. She walked all the way from Osheri, the 100 yards. The youngest from Kokomo City. The oldest, I was just asking him, he's 100 yards, but one of his secrets, why he's doing so, he's a pioneer. Have you ever had a pioneer movement? The Pioneer Association was mentioned about the accessibility in this country. It's one movement that is helping us to fight the accessibility. And this gentleman who has years working for the state is the name of God. It may be getting something. So you don't get a certificate for working here at 100 kilometers at 100 years. The rest of us can get our certificates from the 10th year. When I was organizing the groups that are here, I forgot to mention Nigeria. Nigeria came with very big numbers. I think about 40 people in Nigeria. Let's start for them. Nigeria, thank you. Thank you for coming with such a great numbers. Also, one more thing that is scheduled for the chairman LC5 for the Mara district. Mr. Richard Wagega, that was also the president of the local government chairpersons, who should send for the stand for Mr. Wagega. Thanks very much.
I do not remember since the Mother's Day that big way before, except both recent Uganda in 1969. On that first celebrations, I, promoter of Rome representing the Pope, and both the Cardinal of Uganda of Tanzania and our own Cardinal of Suga were there. Since that time, we made it a public holiday. We also observed the holiday on 5th of June. The Mother's Day shows the resistance potential among the people of Uganda. These young people, and some aged Ugandans, resisted ignorance and corruption. The principles of God, of good order, and human race. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, and with all your soul, and with all your mind, and with all your strength. The second is this: love your neighbor as yourself.
Alongside his daughter, we shall celebrate another